Tired of dealing with that stubborn musty smell in your laundry no matter how many detergents or boosters you try? If your clothes come out smelling less than fresh every single wash, especially with hard water, you're not alone. What if there was a product that actually works to eliminate those odors instead of just masking them? That's where Scent Killer Supercharged Clothing Wash steps in, promising a real fix for your laundry woes. I've been there, trying everything from vinegar and baking soda to enzyme cleaners and special detergents. Nothing seemed to fully get rid of the musty scent that clung to my clothes after washing. Then I found Scent Killer's Supercharged Formula. It's designed specifically to break down and remove the toughest odors, even when hard water makes cleaning a challenge. The instructions suggest using 2 capfuls, but I found that 1 capful plus a half cap of a free and clear detergent does the trick perfectly. Every time, my laundry smells clean and fresh without any lingering funk. What you get with Scent Killer isn't just a cleaner, it's peace of mind. Your clothes come out smelling genuinely fresh, not just temporarily covered up. That matters because your laundry routine should be about confidence, not compromise. If you've been frustrated by musty smells that stick around, this product is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience what truly clean laundry feels like.